Imagine a weapon that can strike a moving target 4,000 kilometers away while traveling at Mach 10. This is the DF-26, the backbone of China's anti-access area denial strategy. Nicknamed the Guam Express, this road-mobile missile puts the primary American hub in the second island chain directly in the crosshairs. Unlike traditional ballistics, the DF-26 uses a modular design, allowing the PLA to swap between nuclear and conventional warheads in the field, blurring the line between deterrence and active warfare. For the U.S. Navy, the threat is existential. A single successful hit from a DF-26D variant could bypass layered defenses like Aegis and THAAD to sink a multi-billion-dollar supercarrier. But the Pentagon isn't sitting still. From MQ-25 Stingray refueling drones extending the fleet's reach to high-energy lasers designed to melt incoming warheads, the battle for the Pacific has become a high-stakes race between the unstoppable missile and the impenetrable shield. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and also please subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to bring you more great stories from the U.S. military and their allies around the world.